everyone, welcome back to Cafe V. So today I'm going to show you some fun ways to stay hydrated for the fall, aka an extended summer where I'm at. But also remember to hydrate yourself with water and also water your plants if you haven't already. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. In the morning, I love making chia matcha lattes. If you haven't added chia seeds to your matcha drink before, today is the day to try it. The Mayans and Aztecs used to eat chia seeds before battle or during long trips to replenish their energy. So all you'll need for this recipe is hot water, matcha powder, honey, and chia seeds. Oh, and also a milk of your choice. If you're looking for a drink that will give you sustained energy throughout the day and feel healthy and clean for the morning, then this one is definitely for you. So I'm just sifting in 2 heaping spoonfuls of matcha powder into the bowl and then pouring hot water into it. I'm using a bamboo whisk to whisk it all together to get rid of any clumps so that you are left with a creamy and smooth matcha drink. Now, depending on the sweetness level you like, here is how much honey I recommend that you can add. If you like it super sweet, I'd recommend 3 good pumps of honey. If you like it medium sweet, sort of like this is how I like it, then you would do 2 pumps, and if you don't really like it that sweet, just do 1 pump. So now I'm just shaking in about 2 teaspoons of chia seeds. I don't want too many, but if you want like a lot of texture in your drink, then you can add more too. Alright, and now for the final step, you are going to fill your cup all the way to the top with ice, fill it up with some soy milk, and finally your matcha mixture. And not only is this a beautiful sight to see, but it's also really good. Just be sure to mix it up so that the sweetener, the honey, disperses throughout the drink. And yeah, that is my morning drink that helps me stay energized but have that sustained energy throughout the day. The next drink that I'm making today is a misugaru latte. This is one of my favorite drinks to make. It is a Korean roasted multi-grain powder made with 7 to 10 different grains. It's packed with protein, fiber, calcium, vitamins, minerals, which makes it a very energizing and non-caffeinated drink to help combat those midday slumps. I got these packets at a local Korean grocery store, and they come in this giant cardboard box that you can also reuse for gifts and other things like that. So I'm just pouring the package contents into this cup, and after that I'm going to add about a half cup of water. Next I'm adding in about 4 teaspoons of honey. And after adding in the honey, you want to mix it all up however you want to do it. Sometimes I use a chopstick, but today I'm using a milk frother because it really breaks up all of those clumps that you can get. But even with clumps, it's okay because this drink sort of reminds me of cereal, so that added texture is not too bad. Finally, you can add ice and then your soy milk at the end, or you can just add the soy milk and then the ice after. And there you go, you have a misugaru latte that you can take with you to conquer the rest of your day. So I recommend making this in a bottle in case the powder settles to the bottom, and you can always shake it up. And finally, the last drink I'm having for today that helps me wind down after a busy day is an herbal tea. Herbal teas are known for a range of medicinal effects, and they're made by steeping flowers, roots, and herbs into hot water. I have a whole stash of herbal teas from different places, most of them given to me by my aunt, and she gave us this chamomile lemon tea. I love having fresh flavors like lemon and flowers to help me wind down and end my day peacefully. So that concludes my what I drink in a day. I hope that you like these recipes and that you can also try them out at home for yourself and tell me if it's good too. But anyways, I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you for stopping by Cafe V. Bye!